Now, what we are going to do, children, is we are going to go to the next. So this Yeti had actually carried her off there. Okay. I should feel terribly frightened, thought Agatha. But feeling frightened is an odd thing. You either feel it or you don't. And Agatha didn't. Instead, she got up and walked quietly towards the Yeti. Then she leaned forward and put her hand on the Yeti's arm. At once, she was buried up to the elbow in long, cool, silky, tickly hair, masses and masses of it. Then Lady Agatha Farlingham became the first human ever to see a Yeti's face. Okay? Now, looking at this huge monster, children, how would you feel?
We scare and run away like that.
What about the boys? What did the boys feel? Yusuf, Umar, Muhammad, how would you all feel if you had to see the Yeti?
Crazy.
Crazy. I don't think so. The boys would be so scared, right? It's only we girls who get scared, right? The boys are quite strong, I think, in my class.
Extremely scared. I would just run. No, that was
Mama, you would feel extremely scared? I don't think so.
Mama, that big Yeti, that ape.
Okay. Okay. So now,
faint.
yeah. But do you know why she didn't get scared? She says she touched his, she leaned forward, okay, and she put her hand on Yeti's arm, okay, and then she was buried up, it says, okay, up to the elbow in long, cool, silky, tickly hair, masses and masses of it. So we can see children in the picture over here. She put her hand, right? Masses and masses of hair. So the Yeti was so much full of hair. Okay. Now, children, there are some meanings given over here. Okay. Escarpment means a very steep. Umar, there is disturbance from your house.
No.
Escarpment means a very steep slope, the face of a mountain. Nanvidar is an imaginary place in the Himalayas, and Yeti is a fantastical creature said to live in the Himalayas. Okay.
And it's Himalayas.
Sorry?
Ma'am, it's Himalayas. Ma'am, Yeti is real.
Himalayas. Sorry?
Ma'am, Yeti is real.
I want you to find out and tell me.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah.
Ma'am, on Google, when I type Yeti,
Mm-hmm.
so it will ask questions which people say. Which
Yes.
people ask.
So you can ask on Google, is Yeti a real person?
If the people who have text down in Google ask, is Yeti real? So I will press on that, so it will show the answer.
Yes.
Okay.
So you find out the answer, okay? And then let me know. Okay. Yeah. So now she thought it was a most interesting and distinguished face. Yetis have huge, round, intelligent eyes, as big as saucers. Okay. So the eyes are like saucers. Yetis also have snub noses and big ears, and their ears have a most useful flap on them, and ear lid, which they can close. So the ear they can basically close. Okay. This saves them from getting a earache in the fierce Himalayan winds. Their mouths are big and generous looking. Best of all are their smiles. What is the Yeti doing over here, children?
Smiling.
Smiling. Very good. Okay. So now can you tell me how did Agatha get to the valley?
Like the Yeti told her.
Kidnapped. Very good. The Yeti kidnapped Agatha. Excellent. How did no? What did Agatha think of Yeti? What did she think of Yeti?
She seen the big brown enormous beast.
Yeah. Was she scared of Yeti?
No,
No, she was not scared of Yeti. She thought of Yeti to be what kind of a person?
a kind.
A kind and a generous person. Very good. Why was Agatha not frightened of it?
Frightened because the
Because it had eyes bigger than saucers.
Okay, because of the eyes being as saucers, she was not frightened.
No, not that. Because he was smiling.
Very good, excellent. Because she was smiling, excellent. So, she was not scared or frightened of it. Why does Yeti have earlids?
to close the
To not affect his ears and not let his eardrums get damaged.
Yeah. Okay. Now, let us think of some other questions. Okay. Why do you think Lady Agatha says, perhaps I haven't died after all? Why does she say this?
because he didn't die after all.
But why?
Because he came to know she is unearthed.
Okay, she came to know she's on Earth, but there was a clue. What did she see? She saw something.
Himalaya mountains.
She saw the peaks of the Nanvidar mountains, right? Very good. How do we know that nobody has ever seen a Yeti before?
Because Yetis are not real and this is fantasy fiction.
Sidra, that was a good answer, but how do we know that only she has? We have to find a phrase in the lesson.
Because
She told she was the first.
Yes, she said that she is the first human. Yes, very good. Okay. The story is very easy, okay? It's not a difficult one. So that's why, it's nice. Okay. Now, what simile does the author use to describe the Yeti's eyes?
Bigger than saucer.
Very good. The eyes were like saucers.
ma'am, like that sauce, red hot sauce like that.
Ma'am, see like this.
Saucer. Do you know what's a tea
Like this
saucer?
eyes.
I
Saucer
can't
like
see you,
like
darling.
this.
Like the
Exactly. I like when she said, that his eyes were like big saucers. I found it very hilarious. Okay. Now, what does the author say about the Yeti's mouth and why is it important?
shapes.
Yeah, smiling. Children, why is a smiling face important? What does it tell us about the other person?
It tells us we are not harming you. We are helping you.
Yes, so she was not frightened. She was not scared, right? Yeah.
Ma'am, I don't like this story because I don't like
Okay. All right. Now, have you ever imagined a fantastical beast? What was it like and what made it different from a real creature? This all you'll have to do for homework, okay? Now, let's do the next one. Fantasy fiction continues. Kidnap. He got up and stood there, waiting with his head on one side, till Agatha got up too. And then he began to lead her along the floor of the valley. And as he walked, Agatha saw that his enormous feet had 8 toes and were put back to front. And this, of course, was why later, when people tried to track Yetis in the snow, they never found them. Yetis, who seem to be are really coming, and Yetis who seem to be coming are really going. It is as simple as that. Suddenly, the Yeti stopped, bent down to a little hollow by the bank of the stream, and began to clear away the dried grass and sticks which covered it. When he had finished, he grunted in a pleased sort of way, and then he moved aside so that Agatha could see what he had uncovered. Oh, said Agatha, sleeping peacefully, curled up in each other's arms. What two fat, furry baby Yetis. Okay, so now what happened was he waited. Okay, this Yeti, he was a generous person, right? So he waited till Agatha got up, and then he led her along the floor of the valley. And as they walked, Agatha saw that Yeti's feet are very huge and big. 8 toes he had, my goodness, on one foot. Okay, and basically when you are going to a direction, when you are going in one direction, your toes come in front, right? And when you are walking in the opposite direction, your toes are in the opposite direction. But for Yetis, they have feet or toes all around their legs. Okay, so you cannot tell whether the Yeti is coming or the Yeti is going. It is so simple. Okay, now what
You
happened
mean
was,
like this? Ma'am, you mean this is the Yeti's feet and that was here also?
yes, like this.
Like this?
Yes. Okay.
Everywhere.
Yeah, everywhere. So we don't know whether the Yeti is coming or the Yeti is going.
Yes.
This story, really, I found it very hilarious because it's so funny. The imagination is so good. Okay. Now suddenly the Yeti stopped. Okay, and it began to clear the grass. Okay, and sticks because it bent down to a hollow by the bank of the stream. Okay, so there was like a hollow by the bank of the
Yes,
stream,
ma'am.
and then he grunted in a pleased sort of way. What is the meaning to grunt, children? What is the meaning to grunt?
I don't know, ma'am.
Like lazy and like that.
What is the meaning to grunt, children? Tell me.
Angry.
Like, here is it to grunt.
Like
Okay, but he grunted in a pleased way. And then below that grass, okay, who did Agatha see? She saw two baby Yeti. She said, "Oh!" She exclaimed, "Oh!" There were two baby Yetis curled up in each other's arms. So sweet they look, isn't it? Okay, now let us see the comprehension answers. Can you tell me whether they are true or false? The Yeti led Agatha up a mountain. Is it true or false?
true.
Why false?
True.
True.
True. True. True.
Along the floor of the valley, not on the mountain. So it's false.
I was telling false. I was telling
Yes, you are right.
It's false. It's false. I also said false. I
Okay.
also said false.
Agatha saw that the Yeti had 8 toes. Is it true or false?
True. True.
The Yeti stopped by a large tree. True or false?
Ma'am, can I show you? Yes, ma'am.
False.
False.
Yes, very good. The Yeti babies were sleeping peacefully.
True.
Good. Now, how did the author let us know? Children, let's look at the question. How did the author let us know that Yeti was patient?
Because he was. It's not scary at all.
Yes, she was. See, when the Yeti wanted to lead them along the floor of the valley, okay, did the Yeti just carry Agatha and take, or he waited?
Waited.
Yeah, he waited patiently. Okay, very good. Now, how do we know that the Yeti had big feet?
Yes.
Because Agatha told.
How many toes? How many toes?
8.
8 toes. Very good.
8, ma'am.
Excellent. How do we know that Agatha was surprised to find the babies?
She saw
She was.
She said like, oh.
Very good. Excellent. Oh, so she
And she was
exclaimed
like
that,
this.
yes, that there were babies. Excellent. Okay. Children, did you like?
No. Yes.
Okay, there are mixed reactions. Some of you like the story.
I
some of
liked
you didn't.
this. Ma'am, I liked the story, but the pictures were not good.
Yeah, the pictures are not good. Like Manha is saying, like so story. Okay, I understood that.
So story. So
So there was
story.
some things that I found very funny, like especially the fact,
Yeah.
like she just gets up from her sleep. Imagine, you just get up from your sleep and you look like around a beautiful landscape, and everything is so good, and you don't see anybody of you who and then you feel like, okay, am I in Jannat? Am I in heaven? You know, like as in, am I in paradise?
Actually, I'm not dead. The funny part was
Yeah. Have I died? Have I died?
that.
Right?
Actually, I'm not dead.
That is what I found very funny. Okay.
Ma'am,
But then
I also-
suddenly she sees that there are those mountain peaks of the Nanvidar, and then she's so happy that she didn't die, she was alive. That was hilarious for me. And the other thing that I found,
hear you. Your voice is getting stuck.
yeah. And the other thing that I found very funny was, the eyes as saucers, big saucers. And
Like this,
also,
ma'am.
yeah. And like she feels whether, she should be frightened or she shouldn't be frightened, and then the Yeti gives her a generous smile. It is a very nice story. Okay. So children, now for your homework, what you are going to do is you are going to write all the comprehension answers. Okay. And next class, we are going to do grammar. Thank you so much, children. It was an amazing class. Take care and bye.
Why Muhammad Ali putting lipstick?
I don't know. You can ask him that. It looks very yucky.
looks like a girl. Yeah.
It doesn't suit him, the lipstick, actually.
Not a girl. Girls put lipstick.
Yeah, please remove that lipstick. The muchad looks better on you, beta. Chodo, chodo, wo lipstick. Ah, better. Okay. Okay, children, bye.
Bye.
Bye.